Hey everyone, today I'm coming to you with a video on how to remove stains. I don't know if any of you have accidentally washed something red with your light colored clothing and gotten pink stains everywhere, but that happened to me. And this is the sweatshirt. You can see the pink stains there. And this sweatshirt, I need it. It's my daughter's cheer sweatshirt for this year and we can't replace it. So I'm going to be using the Rit Color Remover to get the pink stains out. So before you throw away any stained clothing that you have or any pink clothing that came out like mine, I want to show you a way that you can save your clothing using this Rit Color Remover. I went ahead and I purchased some Rit Color Remover. It comes in one pack like this for $2.99 at my Walmart. I also saw that you could purchase it on Amazon in 3 packs or 6 packs for a little bit more. So you're going to follow the instructions that come with the Rit Color Remover. And the instructions are essentially what I'm doing here. You're going to get a pot or a container and put some water in there. You're not going to get the water all the way to boiling. You're just going to get it to a little bit below boiling. And then you're going to add in your Rit Color Remover packet. You're going to add that in and just mix it in till it dissolves. And you're just going to do that first, and then you're going to get your garment, your clothing, whatever it is that you have that's stained, and you're going to go ahead and put it into this pot. You could also use like a big container or something like that as well, whatever it is that you have. I'm using this pot and it worked out pretty good. It fit the whole sweater in there. So you want it to be covered. You want it to be covered in the water with the color remover. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my sweatshirt into this. You can see what it looks like here. It kind of just looks like a little bit of like this white foamy stuff on top. You just need to make sure that it's dissolved and everything, and that happens actually pretty quickly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my sweater in. You can see all of those pink stains everywhere, and you're gonna let it soak in there for the time it says to soak on your Rit Color Remover packet. So depending on the staining of your garment, you may need to do it a little bit longer, or it may not take very long. You'll begin to see the color come off of your sweatshirt or garment or whatever you have, and it starts to kind of lift up from there. Mine did take about an hour for it to completely come out of my sweatshirt, but you can see here I'm just using like a wooden spoon and essentially just mixing it or folding it over, kind of like a washing machine action. And you're going to want to do this for a while. That's what the instructions suggest, but you can also just put it in there and essentially move it around a little bit and just let it soak. So I ended up after a while just letting it soak, and then this is what it looks like. You're going to drain out everything that was in the pot, and then you're going to rinse it out with some cold water. You can already see here with my sweatshirt that it looks a lot whiter and it doesn't have any more of the pink stains. So it is a success. I definitely got all of the stains out with the Rit Color Remover. And you can see here it even got brighter and whiter as well. And it smells actually pretty good. But you want to make sure that you get all of that color remover out of your garment. And then what I ended up doing was I was already doing a load of laundry and it was just whites. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it in with that load of laundry and let it just go through that cycle. But essentially you could just rinse it and get all of the color remover out and air dry it, or whatever you want. Go ahead and put it in the dryer and just dry it. But I'm going to go ahead and wash it, and that way everything that's in there will come out for sure. So I have my washing machine over here, and let's go take it over there. As you can see, some of that color remover is still there, so I would recommend washing it after doing this. So this is going to be pretty safe to do because what I'm washing is just white, so I'm not risking any more stains when it comes to this sweatshirt. So you're just going to wash it and then when it's done, go ahead and dry it. So I did find that I got the stains out with the Rit Color Remover, and I would recommend it. It was pretty simple and pretty easy to do. Also pretty inexpensive. For $2.99, I was able to save this garment of clothing and not have to get another one or whatever. In this case, I really needed to save it because there was no getting another one. So if you have anything like that, or just anything that is stained and you want to save, I would really highly recommend using this Rit Color Remover to do that. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever had any laundry accidents like the one I had, where I turned the sweater pink. Or maybe let me know if you've ever had any really hard to get out stains and what it was that stained it. Let me know in the comment section. So here is the sweater. It's dry, and I'm just going to show you here what it looks like. All of the stains came out. Nothing was left behind. It's back to being white, and so I'm really happy with the Rit Color Remover, and I just wanted to share that with you so that you can use it if you ever need it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on our next video.